Hi, I'm Arvin, the IT Department Manager of Manila A. We started our partnership with SoftType since 2022 through the use of NetSuite. SoftType played a pivotal role in addressing our challenges. We started with a comprehensive analysis of our pain points and business processes, which helped them tailor fit a solution that met our specific needs. Previously, we are faced several key challenges that led us to seek a reliable solution. One of our primary pain points was the inefficiency in managing our operational workflows. We were dealing with a lot of manual processes, leading to the frequent errors, delays, and miscommunication between departments. These inefficiencies slowed us down on our day-to-day operations and affects our ability to scale effectively. Additionally, we struggled with data visibility, which made decision-making difficult, especially when it came to inventory management, sales tracking, and forecasting, which has a direct impact on our overall business performance. SoftType implemented an integrated ERP system that streamlined our core business function, including finances, supply chain, and inventory management. Their solution actually provided us with real-time data access and automation, which significantly reduced manual error and improved interdepartmental coordination. Additionally, the customizable dashboard and reports they set up have been invaluable in giving us actionable insights for decision makings. The impact has been transformative. By automating many of our manual processes, we've seen a dramatic reduction in operational errors and marked improvement in our efficiency. The real-time data access has enhanced our decision-making capabilities. SoftType has been instrumental in driving our business transformation. This has improved cross-departmental collaboration and increased transparency, and being proactive in responding to market changes. Overall, the transformation has allowed us to focus more on the innovation and growth strategies, knowing that our operations are running smoothly. In the background, SoftType has truly been a partner in our success, helping us not just to overcome challenges, but setting the stage for our long-term sustainability and expansion. Thank you, SoftType, for your contribution and continued support to MHA in improving our digital business processes. More power and God bless you. Thank you.